Hi guys, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to break down one of the most important but one of the most asked question of all time regarding Amazon FBA. So in this video, I'm going to break down the difference between brand name, store name, and your business name, and where and when you should use those. So first, let's talk about your business name or your trade name. So suppose let's assume you're a sole proprietorship. Now, if you are a private limited, then your business name, you will know it by yourself. It will have the prefix private limited. So if it is a sole proprietorship, which I assume maximum of you people will be having because you're starting out. So when you have sole proprietorship, you will see in the GST certificate, there will be two names. One will be legal name, another will be trade name. In the legal name, it should be your own name. And in the trade name, it will be something enterprises, something trading company, or whatever you choose. It will be completely different. So when you create a seller circle account, Amazon will ask you for your business details, your trade name, your or business name, and your PAN card. Now, obviously, if you're sole proprietorship, you will give your own PAN card. And in that business name, you will use your trade name, that is something enterprises or whatever you have chosen. Then this is your legal side of thing. Now, this business name or trade name that you have used, it will be only shown when the customer purchases a product in the invoice. You must have received an invoice if you ever purchased from Amazon. In that invoice, your business name will be written there or trade name. That is the only place your business name appears. So there about the trade name. Now let's talk about store name. Now where the store name appears and can you change it? And for store name, Amazon, after creating those business setup, Amazon will ask you to create a store name. Now, store name, you may put your brand name as a store name, or you can put whatever you want. So you can change the store name anytime as you can. You can change it whenever you want. Suppose you have a product which is in home and kitchen, and you have launched another product which is hot selling, and it is in beauty. Obviously, if you name it something home kitchen related, the store name home kitchen related, then that will be creating a little bit confusion. So for that, you can create a separate name. And now let's talk about the brand name. So the brand name is what you choose that, okay, this product, I will make it called by a brand name, XYZ brand name. Now you can take the trademark of the brand name, and your brand name you have to use once you go and create the listing and all. So in my case, I am selling in one seller account only one brand, and that brand is only in one niche. So that is why my store name is same as my brand name. And suppose you are running two different brands in one seller account, which you can obviously. And if you do that and you name the store as a first brand name, obviously it is going to make some confusion in the customer's eyes. So in that case, you have to go and change the store name, which you can obviously do a lot of times. So these are the common differences between brand name, store name, and business name. So brand name, you can choose whatever you want. You have to get the trademark. So this is brand name. And the business name that is appear on your GST certificate as your trade name is your business name. And store name, it is just a name that you can put and Amazon calls it. So the store name appears below your title and it shows visit that store. Or if you're using a brand name as a store name, then also, and you do not have a store created already, like your brand store already not created, then it will simply show your brand name. So these are the common differences between brand name, store name, and business name. Though it is very simple, yet since you're starting as a newbie, it may confuse you a lot. But I hope this video clears out some of the doubts. And if I am not able to clear those doubts, then please message or comment below. I'll obviously reply. And that's it, guys. I'll see you again in the next video.